Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 11391 Class 1 trailer hitch on the 2007 Honda Civic. For a better view of the installation, we'll be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 30 minutes to 1 hour depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. We'll be lowering the exhaust. To lower the exhaust system, remove the rubber isolator holding the exhaust in place. We recommend using a spray lubricant or a soapy water mixture with a pry bar to ease the removal process. If present, remove the underbody panel located here. To do this, remove the 6 plastic fasteners. First, dislodge the center of the fastener with a flathead screwdriver, and then pull out the entire piece by the base. When all of the fasteners are removed, gently pull down and forward, moving the panel over the toe loop and out from underneath the bumper. This panel will be reinstalled later in the process. To remove the heat shield, take out the 4 fasteners located here. Locate the toe loop at the back of the vehicle and insert the 3/8" U-bolt through it. Next, fish wire the rearmost attachment point on the driver's side. To do this, insert the coiled end of the fish wire into the mounting point of the frame and out the access hole. Place a square hole spacer over the coiled end of the fish wire and insert it into the access hole in the frame. Thread a carriage bolt into the coil end of the fish wire and place it in the frame as well. Pull on the opposite end of the fish wire, bringing the carriage bolt through the spacer and down and out through the attachment point. Remove the fish wire from the hardware. Insert a handle nut through the forwardmost access hole. For better control of the nut, a slight bend to the handle can be made. Some models may require this mounting hole to be enlarged. Enlarging the hole was not necessary on this vehicle. Repeat the same fish wiring process on the opposite side of the vehicle. To trim the heat shield, refer to the trim diagram included in the instruction sheet. Tape off the portion of the heat shield to be trimmed. Using aviation shears, trim the marked areas of the heat shield. Some models may require trimming of the underbody panel. To do this, refer to the trim diagram in the included instruction sheet. This vehicle did not require any trimming of this panel. Reinstall the trimmed heat shield. Reinstall the removed underbody panel. Raise the hitch into position, carefully moving the passenger side mounting plate over the muffler and behind the bumper. Fasten the hitch to the frame with the included hex flange nuts, carriage bolts, and conical tooth washers. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Secure the U-bolt to the hitch with the provided hex flange nuts. Reinstall the exhaust. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. Well, that was shocking. This completes the installation of the CURT 11391 Class 1 trailer hitch on the 2007 Honda Civic. Check out our stylish CURT Euro mounts and install the vehicle-specific trailer wiring harness next for your ride. Thank you for watching this video. Now you can bring it.
CURT, the first name in towing products.